tape. Hello, this is to Brandon and Julia and Allie. We're sorry you couldn't be with us. We are putting the project on hold because, girls, we're putting the project on hold because not everyone's here and we're having trouble finding lunch times where people are available to actually do the surveying. So, once we all get back and get through that, we'll pick up the project again. So, we're just making some headway, and we're going to look at, starting from yesterday, we're going to take notes on day 4. If you would draw a box like this, and inside of it 2 circles, and there's not going to be coloring on this one, but very soon we are going to color it. We're going to call all the boys in this circle and all the girls in this circle, and that is an example of mutually exclusive, and we talked about this yesterday, mutually exclusive events or categories. So in other words, if you're a boy, you're not in the girls group. If you're a girl, you're not in the boys group. So it's mutually exclusive. So there are some exceptions, but not in this room. So boys and girls. So mutually exclusive is, you know, when you're exclusive, you turn your nose up when you're exclusive. So it's like one set is turning its nose up at the other. There's no common ground. They are exclusive. All right, so I'm going to draw another one. And this is, say, everybody who lives in a single family home. A single family home. And here's a set of everyone who does not live in a single family home. So that's just an example of mutually exclusive events. You can't live in a single family home and not live in a single family home. So everyone over here are the apartments and condos and townhomes and prison and dorms and everywhere else that you could possibly live, but not a single family home. These are called mutually exclusive. You've heard this word before, and now it's cemented in your mind. Would you draw a third one, and you make it up for me? So you are going to draw 2 circles that do not intersect, and you will name them, making sure the names are mutually exclusive. I'll do one, don't look. Did you think of one? 2 groups where you're in one, but you're not in the other. There's no overlap. All right, who's got one? Elena, do you get one?
Your name is either Kayla.
I'm sorry.
It's not Kayla.
What was the first one? Name?
It's either Kayla.
Or your name's
or
Caleb or it's not?
It's
Okay. What about you, Bailey?
This is harder than I should.
You couldn't come up with one?
You are either a pair of scissors or you're not a pair of scissors.
Okay. All right, what about you, Caleb?
I was gonna say you're either Santa or you're not Santa.
That's perfect. You're in the season. Here's high school grads and non-high school grads. So over here,
That makes more sense.
we have the infants, and we have the juniors and seniors, and we have people who are older who never graduated from high school. So we have a lot of people in both groups. All right. The thing that's different today is I'm showing you on a picture what it looks like to be mutually exclusive. All right, one more to solidify the whole thing. How about we have about females.
Oh, I have one.
What? Go ahead.
You're either in school or you're not.
Very good.
You either play volleyball or you don't.
Right.
You,
You either like watermelon Sour Patch Kids or you don't like
Right.
them.
There's so
well,
many
you
mutual-
can be undecided about that.
females and redheads.
You're either dead or alive.
Yeah.
I was gonna do that one.
You're either a piece of confetti or you're not.
How about this one? Does this one work? Females
No.
and redheads.
There's no such thing as a female redhead.
Okay, all right, so we have left, this does not make sense. We cannot draw females and redheads in this way. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take up our colors and we're gonna draw, this time, we have a non-mutually exclusive
Non-booking.
relationship. And we're going to say, if you would put the same, we're going to say, imagine this classroom or this room, and it has, we'll say red is going to be this circle, and females is this one. So, there are two, so if you would put 2 dots where it says red and female both in this group of people. Then in this section, I want you to put 3 dots. And we'll discuss what that means in a minute. In this section, 4 dots. And we'll discuss that. And then outside of them all, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots on the outside of them all.
Can always use the code.
Alright, so have you set it up like I did? 3, 2, 4, 8 in the sections. Alright, so I would like you to pick up one of your colors and stripe or lightly shade the red. I'll do stripes. Redheads. So how many people in this group are redheaded?
Wait, including the middle?
All I said is redheaded, so you have to interpret, is it include the middle or not? Ladies, what happened? Never mind. All right, Caleb, your question? See if you can answer your own question.
Define redhead.
I said, in this picture, the way this graph is set, how many are redheaded? So you have to decide whether to include the middle or not. So the
Oh.
question is,
Yes.
yes. So everyone in this circle is redheaded. So how many are there? There are 5. So
Wait, what?
5 redheads, right? Did you draw the
I thought
dots
it'd be
like I
6.
did?
Oh. Wait a second. Confused. I moved my circles backwards.
Kayla.
Okay, we can do them backwards. Just answer the questions.
No, but
Did you have the red and the females backwards? Did you have these titles backwards or the actual
yeah,
numbers?
titles backwards.
Okay, you change it then. So 5 redheads. All right, then I want you to do another color for the females.
Oh, color.
And I'm going to do striping, so I'll go backwards.
Can I just do it really quick?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I thought you had multiple.
No.
So once you color those, how many, Bailey, are female? 6. All right. Then I want to know where your 2 colors overlapped. What does that mean? There's 2 in the overlap. So what are those kind of people?
I wish I was one of those people.
You are sometimes.
I know I am.
You wish you were a girl?
As you wish you was a girl. Ah. Alright, so the 2 in the middle are both redhead and female. Not a bad group as people go. Alright, now let's look at the outside. I see there are 8
Not bad
up
for a
here, but what are they? Can you describe, Elena, the characteristics of the 8 floating around out here?
We're gonna ask you.
Unrelated people.
Um,
Don't even.
Unimportant. They don't know why.
they're not female and they don't have red hair.
Right, non-red males. Non-red-headed males.
They're not even
Most
gonna
people
get
They
a
don't
color.
even matter.
I'm just gonna make them in
They don't
regular.
Even though they're about 40% of the people in the world.
Yeah, probably a lot more than.
Probably a lot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, well, I guess being male will take you down. All right, so
Probably more than 40. Redhead.
this is how this is
How often is
called.
redheads?
What kind of chart is this called? Do you know the name of it?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
okay.
90%
Oh, so then
of
more
girls
like-
don't have red hair.
No, but it'd be like
We're talking about
35%.
Yeah, go ahead and time the
35%.
next. Shut that one down and time the next.